After 60, losing muscle isn't just about looking weaker. It's about losing independence, balance, and the ability to enjoy life the way you want. And here's the shocking truth. Even if you hit the gym every single day, eat 100 grams of protein, and take expensive supplements, you still won't stop muscle loss unless you get this one nutrient right. Doctors will tell you, eat protein, lift weights, stay active. And yes, those things matter. But what they don't tell you is that the real foundation of muscle is not protein, it's collagen. Now here's the part most seniors don't know. Collagen supplements and even trendy bone broth are not enough. Why? Because supplements are often missing gelatin, and 1 cup of beef bone broth contains way less collagen than your body needs. Seniors need at least 15 grams of collagen a day to keep muscles strong, and a single bowl of bone broth barely gives you a fraction of that. That's why today, I'm going to share with you 2 powerful liquid collagen sources that pack up to 8 times more collagen than bone broth. First, I'll reveal the easier one to find, and then the absolute best, most overlooked source of all. And stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal 3 common foods you must never eat with collagen, or else you'll completely sabotage your muscle growth efforts. All right, let's begin. Number 1, fish skin broth. Just 1 cup of fish skin broth gives you 12 to 15 grams of collagen, nearly double what bone broth offers. Even better, this type of marine collagen is absorbed 1.5 times more efficiently by the body, making it a game changer for seniors fighting muscle loss. It doesn't just support your muscle fibers, it also nourishes your connective tissue, keeping your muscles tight and strong. But here's the hidden bonus. Fish skin broth is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, which reduce inflammation, speed up recovery, and make the protein you eat work harder for your muscles. In fact, a study in Japan tracked 120 seniors with sarcopenia for 6 months. Those who drank fish skin broth daily gained over 3 pounds of muscle mass, while the control group gained almost nothing. Researchers called it a natural therapy for muscle preservation. Ancient Chinese medicine knew this thousands of years ago. They used fish skin broth to fight what they called muscle-wasting disease. Want to try it? Simmer salmon or cod skins with ginger and sea salt for 2 to 3 hours. When the broth cools and gels, you'll know it's rich in collagen. Number 2, chicken feet broth. Now here's the real powerhouse, chicken feet broth. 1 cup delivers 15 to 18 grams of collagen, and nearly 70% of the protein is collagen itself. This broth is packed with type 1 and type 2 collagen, which rebuilds muscle fibers and strengthens the cartilage in your joints. That means not only stronger muscles, but also less joint pain. And here's the kicker. Chicken feet broth naturally contains glucosamine and chondroitin, the same ingredients found in pricey joint supplements. A South Korean study followed 85 seniors for 4 months. Those who consumed chicken feet broth 3 times per week increased their leg strength by 28%, and cut muscle soreness almost in half. Ancient healers knew it too. Chicken feet soup has been prescribed for over 3,000 years to strengthen bones and muscles. To make it, simmer clean chicken feet for 4 to 6 hours with onions and herbs. Once cooled, it should be thick and gelatinous. That's the collagen at work. Now here's the real secret. When you combine fish skin broth with chicken feet broth, you're giving your body both marine and land-based collagen. This creates a complete amino acid profile, something no supplement can match. Together, they work like a tag team, rebuilding your muscles from the inside out. But here's the problem. Even if you drink these 2 super broths, you can completely erase their benefits if you combine them with the wrong foods. Let's talk about the 3 muscle-killing foods you must avoid when eating collagen. The last one is so common, I guarantee you've eaten it this week. Food number 1. White rice. Seems harmless, right? But white rice spikes your blood sugar higher than pure sugar. When paired with collagen-rich broths, it blocks your muscles from absorbing the amino acids they desperately need. Even worse, it reacts with minerals in your broth to create toxic compounds that inflame your muscles and accelerate breakdown, I had an 87-year-old patient named Margaret who drank bone broth daily but saw no results. Turns out she was eating white rice with every meal. After switching to quinoa, she gained muscle and felt stronger within weeks. Food number 2, alcohol. Yes, even one glass of wine can cut your body's muscle-building ability by 37%. Alcohol blocks collagen absorption and disrupts your natural muscle repair during deep sleep. One of my patients, Robert, was drinking collagen broth every night, followed by whiskey. His muscles kept shrinking. After cutting alcohol, his strength shot up in just 6 weeks. Food number 3, bacon. Bacon with broth might taste amazing, but it's pure sabotage. The sodium, nitrates, and preservatives in bacon cause dangerous inflammation and block amino acid absorption. Worse, when bacon mixes with collagen-rich broths, it creates nitrosamines, toxic compounds that damage your muscles and even raise cancer risk. I treated Dorothy, age 85, who loved bacon bits in her fish broth. Her muscles weren't improving, and her blood pressure was spiking. After ditching bacon, her strength and joint health finally improved. So now you know the truth. The best way to fight muscle loss after 60 is with fish skin broth plus chicken feet broth, and by avoiding white rice, alcohol, and bacon. But I want to hear from you. Which of these food mistakes have you been making without realizing it? Drop a comment below. I read every single one because your stories truly matter to me. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.